Hi, hello बच्चों. Welcome back to my channel Maths से लगे रहो. In today's class we are learning fill in the blanks set number 4 dear students. So now let us see the first question what they had asked. So they are given 6 options for this. In 6 options one will be there the answer. So first question, the value of tan of cos inverse 3 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 4 is what dear students. So now here observe what will happen. I will convert each this cos to what tan only dear students. So cos how you can convert? Cos you know what I will write in 10th standard ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. ಇಲ್ಲಿ angle ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇದು angle ಈಗ opposite side AB is there. AB is opposite ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಮ್ದು adjacent ಯಾವ್ದಾಯ್ತು BC ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So hypotenuse ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ 5 ಇದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So adjacent by hypotenuse ಆಗೋದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು AB ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಪೈಥಾಗೋರಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಚ್ಚಿರಿ. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 5. AC ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 5 ಇದೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5 square is 25. AB square ನನಗೆ ಗುರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So BC ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 3. So 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 9. So 9 you take this side. AB square is equal to 25 minus 9. So ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ AB square 16 ಆಯ್ತಾ. AB ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. AB ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ will become that is 4 dear students. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 16 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ. So now see here you convert this to tan now. Tan of cos inverse 3 by 5 tan ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. tan inverse ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ AB 4 ಇದೆ. ಹಾ adjacent ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 3 ಇದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ. So now next this is I will keep it as it is. Tan inverse 4 by 3 and this one we will keep it as it is only this also. Tan inverse 1 by 4. So we have a formula dear students. ಏನಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಿತ್ತು tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ x is how much 4 by 3. y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 1 by 4. So tan of tan inverse ಇದು tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 by 3 y ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 4. tan inverse x plus y. x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಈಗ 4 by 3 plus y ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 4 whole divided by ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 minus x into y. x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 4 by 3 x ಅಂದ್ರೆ y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 1 by 4. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ. So now see here I will close the bracket. So simplification ಮಾಡೋಣ. simplification ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ tan of tan inverse ನೋಡಿ simplification 4 into 4 ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು 4 into 4 16 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಈಗೇನ ಹಾಲ್ತಾ ಇದಲ್ಲ 4 into 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 16 3 1 ಜಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು 3 1 ಜಾ 3 ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 12 ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮೇನ್ ಡಿವೈಸರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ನಾವು ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4 1 ಜಾ 4 ಆಯ್ತು. 4 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 4 ಜಾ 12 ಅರ್ಥ ಇದೆ. ಇದು 12 ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ. ಇದು 12 4 by 12 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡಿ. So why we are keeping you will understand. Tan of tan inverse. So now see here 16 plus 3 is how much 19 by 12 whole divided by observe very carefully here 12 into 1 is 12 minus 4 divided by 12. So LCM ತಗೋತಾ ಇದೀನಿ 12 into 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 12 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 12 minus 4 by 12. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ. So 12 get cancelled. So how much tan of tan inverse 19 by 12 minus 4 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So 12 minus 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 8. So tan of I will write here I will continue here. Observe here this is continued here dear students. Because already dash has came here. So now see here tan of tan inverse x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು x ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. x ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 19/8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್. This is our final answer. That is matching with our option. Second one is there, you observe. ಎರಡನೇದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So I hope you understood this everyone. So we'll go for the next question. Please copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 2. If capital A is a matrix of order 3 into 3, then number of minus in the determinant of A are how many? So they are asking how many minus we can get if the order is 3 into 3. So if our order is 3 into 3 means how many elements will be there? So 3 into 3 means what? How many elements will get? 9 elements, dear students. If there are 9 elements are there, then how many minus we will get, you know? So every element is having what here in 3 into 3? Every element we can find what a minor, dear students. So there are 9 number of what minus will be there of order 3 into 3. 3 into 3 ge minus ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So 9 is our answer, dear students. So 2 into 2 ಇದ್ರೆ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 2 2s are 1 into 1 ಇದ್ರೆ 1 into 1 we will not get a minor only. Yes, so only 2 into 2, because 1 into 1 if you do only one element determinant, you have to cancel this and this, nothing will left, so minor. So that's why you will not be having a 1 into 1 minus, that is 0. So for 3 into 3 we will get a 9 minors, dear students. That is our answer is matching with first option, dear students. I hope it is clear, you understood. So we'll go for the next question. Please copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 3. So now see here, the degree of the differential equation dy by dx whole cube plus d square y by dx square whole square is equal to 0 is dash. So now this is the question, dear students. How to answer, you see here very clearly. So now see, it is not order, degree, dear students. Degree I will find highest order derivative power. ಯಾವ್ದು highest order ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದರದ್ದು ಮೇಲಿನ ಪವರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು highest order ಇದೆ? dy by dx highest order ಇಲ್ಲ. d square y by dx square ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ highest order derivative. ಇದರ ಪವರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 2 ಇದೆ. So degree is how much now in this? Highest order ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, highest order derivative ಇದೆ. So ಇದರ ಪವರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 2. So that is our answer. That is matching with our option 4th, dear students. I hope it is clear, everyone. So we'll go for the next question. Please copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 4. The shortest distance between the lines vector r is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap plus lambda into I cap minus j cap plus k cap, and vector r is equal to 2 I cap minus j cap minus k cap plus mu into 2 I cap plus j cap plus 2 k cap is. They are asking again shortest distance, dear students. Whether it is a parallel or a skew lines, we have to understand. So first standard form of equation, how we will write? Vector r is equal to a1 plus lambda into b1. Last class I had discussed about this, dear students, in set number 2, I think so. So vector r is equal to a2 plus mu b2. So two lines are there, means we will write the equation of the general equation of the line is this only, dear students. If two lines are there, so now you compare, ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರನ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್. ಸೊ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ a1 ಏನಿತ್ರಿ? ಸೊ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ a1 ಈ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಇಂಟು b1. ಸೊ a1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಇಂಟು b1. a1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ a1 ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಗುರ್ತ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಸರ್? ಸೊ b1 ಮತ್ತು b2 ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಬೋತ್ b1 and b2 are different, then these are said to be a what? Skew lines, dear students. ಬಹಳ ಒತ್ತಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ b1 ಮತ್ತು b2 ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದ್ರೆ, so then those are called as skew lines. If both are same, sir, what will happen? That is parallel lines, dear students. Understood? So a1 ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. a2 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? a2 vector r is equal to a2, this one 2 I cap minus j cap minus k cap, dear students. Vector b1 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? I cap lambda into b1 lambda into b1, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ b1 ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ b2 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? mu into b2 2i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ a2 minus a1 ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. In previous video we have discussed this. Can you remember set 3? Set 3 में यही पढ़ाया है आपको. So don't forget that. So you know skew lines means I will write the formula for you better. Why I am finding a2 minus a1 you will understand. a2 minus a1 vector dot b1 cross b2 whole divided by magnitude of b1 cross b2 dear students. Correct? So that's why I am finding first what a2 minus a1. I'll call this as equation number 1 better. So a2 minus a1 is how much? 2 minus 1, that is 1 I cap minus I cap, minus into plus is minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 j cap, minus 1 minus into plus is minus 2 k cap, minus 2 k cap is minus 2. So don't get confused. So minus 2. So now b1 cross b2 ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀರಿ? Into ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. Don't do into. In third set I had told this only. Cross product don't multiply. Determinant. We'll find this by what? Determinant. Into ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಿ ಮಾತು. I cap, j cap, k cap. Cross product ಇದೆ cross ಅಂತಾರ. Into ಅಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ into ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ b1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 1 minus 1 1. I ಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ 2 1 2 2 1 2 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ r1. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್? I cap first row first column value minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, minus you write 1 into 1 1. So minus j cap, everyone know determinants. If you don't know how to expand, please go through my videos in 5 mark playlist. You will get my videos properly. So you have to go for the subscription. Maths lage raho view channel, you go click on that, you will get playlist there. Playlist every videos you will get according to marks wise. 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks you will get like that. Fine. So those who are not watched determinants, please go and see 5 mark. So you will understand how to expand this. So first row first column, I mean second column value 1 into 2 2 minus 2 into 1 2. So plus k cap. So how much you will get this? 1 into 1 is 1. First row last column value. 1 into 1 is 1 minus I will write 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 dear student. So we will get it as minus 3 I cap. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 into anything is 0. I will leave that. 1 plus 2 is 3 k cap. I hope everyone it is clear. Fine. So below I will erase this dear students for your understanding purpose. I have written. So everyone it is clear. b1 cross b2 I got. So magnitude of b1 cross b2, magnitude ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? So minus 3 square. Girls okay. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಮ್ಮ? So minus 3 square is 9. 3 square is 9. So don't get confused. I hope it is clear everyone. Minus 3 square minus 9 ಬರ್ದಿರಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So remember, I know that you will not get 0 because you are my students. So 9 plus 9 is 8. So root, see what I am saying. 9 plus 9 8 I am saying. So 9 plus 9 is 18. So root 18 I can write it as 9 2s. Root 9 is 3. Root 2 I can write. Root 9 ಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇದೆ, ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಇದೆ. Root 9 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Root 2 ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So got it? So therefore equation 1 becomes 1 and half by 2 ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. D is equal to ಏನಿದೆಪ್ಪ? Modulus of a2 minus a1 minus 3 I cap. देवा रे देवा, क्या कर रहा हूं मैं? a2 minus a1 is here. See I cap minus 3 j cap 2 k cap. So b1 cross b2 that is minus 3 I cap plus 3 k cap. Whole divided by magnitude is how much? 3 root 2. Magnitude of b1 cross b2. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ I to I. ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ I to I ಹೇಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು? 3 root 2. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1 into -3 is -3 I to I multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು I ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅದು ಬರೆಯೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸೊ 1 into -3 is -3 ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I to I ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು I to j ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I to j I to k 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ I to I ಮಾಡೋದು j to j ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಓನ್ಲಿ k to k ನಾವು minus into plus is minus 2 3s are 6 dear students ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ d is equal to -3 -6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ -9 divided by 3 root 2 so ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 1 ja 3 3s ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ so how much you will get modulus if you remove minus sign will go so because you know this can't be negative distance 3 by root 2 aagate answer so answer they had given they had done in rationalize here we will rationalize it see here root 2 by root 2 see here 3 into root 2 is 3 root 2 root 2 into root 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ root 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ root 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ so 3 root 2 by 2 is our answer that is matching with our option third one so only 2 options are remaining so we'll go for the next question please copy this let us see the next question dear students question number 5 now the time has came pay my fees dear students so my fees is what you know everyone like the channel comment me and subscribe my channel those who are new so this is my fees it's compulsory you have to pay my fees yes you will do no if you are liking this video means you will like my channel also I think so p of a is equal to 1 by 2 p of b is equal to 1 by 3 p of a intersection b is equal to 1 by 4 then p of a bar b is what dear students p of a bar b how we write in previous videos we have discussed this p of a bar b you can write it as p of a intersection b divided by p of b even in MCQ of probability also I had done this type of question dear students so p of a intersection b is what 1 by 4 whole divided by p of b is how much 1 by 3 see so then if you take this it will get reciprocal 1 by 4 into 3 by 1 dear students so now 1 into 3 is 3 and this is 4 into 1 is 4 dear students so they had given option this is the wrong option they had given dear students please make it change so that is 3 by 4 it should be fine so 3 by 4 is the correct answer so please mark it as a little bit change you do so because they had given printed in wrong answer fine I had not written wrong it is printed as only wrong so I had forgotten to update here fine so this is what our answer 3 by 4 we will get dear students I hope you are understanding something from this video so if you are understanding something so please like my channel and subscribe those who are new for this my channel so each like will inspire me to do the next video dear students I hope you will help and support me my channel and me also so we will meet you in my next class tab tak lage raho maths ke saath thank you dear students please copy this